Hey guys, this is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, and print and fax with this printer. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with your laptop using USB cable. So what you need to do is, if you go at the back, you take the USB cable, go to the USB port, and it's in. The port is the first on the right. So take this end of the cable to your laptop, connect it to the laptop, and it's in. Once it's connected, the laptop will recognize it. You hear a noise. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. Then go to printer and scanners. Then select add a device, and it's now searching for available device. HP OfficeJet Pro. You need to scroll down and select HP OfficeJet Pro from the list. Select on it, and it's showing us idle. So once you connected the cable, the next thing you need to do is you need to download HP Smart App to your laptop. Go to your laptop and select HP Smart App. Then you need to select add a printer or set up a printer. Select add and set up a printer. Now searching for available printer. Here we go. HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E is available, series, online, USB. So once you connect the cable properly, you will see this HP OfficeJet Pro 120E series online. So you need to select on it. Here we go, and the printer is ready. So this is how to connect this printer, and the printer is ready here. And we need to put the pin, open up the chamber here, and select the pin. Then select submit, and the door is open. So you close this door, and the printer is showing us ready. So this is how to connect this printer with USB cable, and this is the cable here. If you want to print documents or anything, if you want to print document, then you select, go to your file or wherever you have the document you want to print out. Select print the document, select the document you want to print, then select Ctrl P, then scroll down from the list and select the printer. HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E series, ready. Select on it, then select print. Now this document is printing. This is the first one. The second document is printing. Here we go. This is the second one. This is how to connect this printer and your laptop together using a USB cable. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. So this printer and laptop are connected together using a USB cable. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.